Hi YouTubers, this is a power test of the Baofeng Uv5r. I've got an adapter in the top of the radio. It's a female type, is it SMA, to a PL259. I know a lot of people don't like PL259, but it suits me and my conditions. Right, I'm transmitting into a dummy load. This phone don't focus very well, but I'm on a simplex frequency. It's 145550. There's a dummy load on the, mounted on the back of the SWR power meter. I wouldn't say it's 100% accurate, but it'll give you guys an idea of what is what. It's on the power setting at the moment, and I'll just tell you what it does. Hang on. Let me just read that off. I know the camera won't see it. That's a low power setting. According to my meter, on a fully charged battery, it's just under 1 watt. Go back into the menu now.
Menu.
Let's find the power setting. Typical, I've probably gone past it twice. TX power low. To change it, just press menu.
Power.
Press the up button for high. Press menu again.
Confirm.
Once it says confirm, that's it, your high power. Okay, let's see what we're doing now. Just trying to get some sort of light into the camera. Okay, that's showing just on 4 watts. A steady 4 watts at that. So they are. I've only had these a couple of days, so it's not like I can do like a full review on reliability, etc. But what I can tell you, they're a cracking little rig. And if you've just bought some, if you're like a licensed amateur like myself and having a bit of a job programming, there is videos out there, but I'll just run it through you very quick. You want the button at the top here, this one.
Channel mode.
Takes you into channel mode.
Frequency mode.
Or frequency mode. You want to be in frequency mode. So let's just say, for argument's sake, you want to type in your local repeater, and I'll actually do that because there's one I've not got in it. So
1 4 5 7 0 0.
Right, okay, press menu.
Menu.
I'll just press 28, which brings me near the enter the right bit, and it says memory channel. Alright, press menu again.
Memory channel.
Channel 13 I'll go to. I've done something wrong. And let's start again. 145 700.
Menu.
Menu. Delete channel.
Memory channel.
Okay, now we're going. It says memory channel.
Memory channel.
Bear with me here. What I've realised my mistake, and it's a mistake a lot of you will probably make. At the top I've got UHF frequencies, and at the bottom I'm on VHF. You need to get the arrow to the top. That's one thing that some of the other videos don't explain. So use a AB button. So now the arrow's at the top. Let's start again.
1 4 5 7 0 0.
Okay, press menu.
Menu.
Memory channel 13.
Memory channel.
That's by pressing menu. Press it again.
Receiving memory.
Okay. says receiving memory, press exit. Now what we need to do is program in the offset frequency. So that'll be
14510.
Press menu again.
Menu.
Comes to channel 13. Press menu again.
Memory channel.
Once more.
Transmitting memory.
Okay, that should have the offset set in there now. So if we go to memory.
Channel mode.
When you're trying to get through the different memories, if the arrow's at the top, it doesn't actually change your memory. Get the arrow down at the bottom. We'll find
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3.
So on 145,700, bearing in mind I'm transmitting into a dummy load here. You can't see it, but it is stepping down. 145,700, transmit 145,100. There you go. I hope that's been of some use to some of you. It's pretty easy, to be fair. But it's all about the menu. And obviously, if you're a bit confused, you can rewatch this video. I've hoped I've sort of done this as simple as you can. So let's just say one of your repeaters you wanted the CTSS tone of 77. How you get that into your memory channel? Go into your menu. And then you get the option of steps, TX power, Vox, wide or narrow. Obviously, I always have it on narrow. Where are we? On this one, it's menu 13. And all you do, let's do that again.
Menu. CTCSS.
Just press menu again, then you get all the options. Once you've put in whatever tone it is that you want, press menu again, it sets it. And that's sort of anything that you put into memory, i.e., a repeater, it will use that same tone. So if you've got one that uses a different tone, you have to go into memory, set the radio up for the tone that you want, and then go about your business putting your repeater in. And what I've also done is put some simplex frequencies in the radio as well, because otherwise if you're in VFO mode it will always step down, which I've found a bit of a pain. But there you go, cracking bit of kit. If you ain't got one already, get yourself on eBay and get one. I'm very chuffed with mine. I quite happily chat into the local repeater. But my own experience is the stock antenna, let me just show you that. This gets a heat build up around here. I don't like that. So there is an aftermarket one. There it is. Just over a foot long. It's a Nagota NA771. That does VHF, UHF, and there's no heat build up in that antenna. So, you have a look on eBay. That's your best bet. But later on I'll be connecting. Now this little adapter to a PL259 only turned up today, so later on, or maybe when we get a little bit of cool weather, I'll get it in the car and go out mobile, see what other people think. But audio reports I've had, I was chatting to my mate yesterday via GB3BF, and he said there was no difference between audio on this little handset, between that and the Yaesu 897. So either this sounds really good, or the 897's crap, or they're on an equal par on FM. So that'll give sort of some idea. So there you go, thanks for watching, hope it's been of some help. Like I say, I was curious as to the actual power, and there's all sorts of accessories you can get, of course. Battery eliminators, speaker mics. I've got a speaker mic, which is just as well I mentioned that. Yeah. I mean, you can buy them separately on eBay and they're a tenner. Got a little rotating clip on the back. Now if you went into Maplins and bought a little speaker mic for a PMR rig, it costs you about 15 quid. And they're sort of, not a toy, but like domestic quality. This little Baofeng mic, I'd say it's got a professional quality. It feels like an amateur bit of kit. You amateurs will know what I mean. Don't feel like a piece of junk. Go out there and get yourself one, boys. Thanks for watching. I'm sure there's loads I've missed out. One thing that just before I go, that I will mention, I don't know whether I'll actually be able to find it. I wanted to be able to scan the memory channels that I'd programmed in, and it wouldn't do it. So let me just see if I can quickly find that, because you'll have problems if you don't do that.
Menu.
I think it's menu 18. It says SCREV, and you want it on CO. Alright. Thanks for watching, people. Hit like, subscribe. Catch you later. Thanks for watching.